Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, and welcome to our webinar today, the final webinar for 2018 prior to kicking off the new year with our agency partners. My name is Tyler Bechtold, the Business Development Manager here at Stuckey Company. And first, I would like to thank you for joining us today and for your time during this busy time of the year. And also, I'd like to thank everyone for who has attended our webinars throughout the year here in 2018, including our presenters from our carrier partners and so on. So again, thank you. Okay, so it does appear we have a great turnout today, which is excellent. So again, thank you for your time this Thursday afternoon. So before we get started, I just wanted to go through a few things while some of our attendees are still logging into the webinar. First, if you'd like to ask a question, please find the GoToWebinar control panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Please ask any questions, and we will certainly do our best to get to your questions during and after the webinar today. Next, I would like to thank Megan Piney, our business development representative here at Stuckey. Megan is a new addition to our business development team since early September, and has been a great asset so far. She's been doing a wonderful job taking care of our agents while providing resources and professional service, and while offering a clear strategy to help support and grow their insurance business. So, Megan, thank you for your time today and for joining us.
Hi, thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to hopefully talking to and working with all of you later on.
Awesome. Thank you, Megan. All right, so a little bit of background about Stuckey Company. Before we get started, we are an MGA, and we provide our independent insurance agents and brokers with innovative insurance programs along with excellent service that they need to ensure long-term growth and success. As of today, Stuckey Company has 9 specialty insurance programs that we offer to our agents. And this year we have completed 27 successful years in the business and going on our 28th year here in 2019. We are a family-owned business with 1 location and remain dedicated to our agency network while serving over 9,000 licensed independent insurance agencies nationwide and over 200,000 customers by providing excellent service from our unmatched 151 promise. At Stuckey, we do everything from creating niche specialty insurance programs for our agents. We manage all areas of the insurance cycle for your client's account, including the underwriting, rating and rule generation, program placement. Of course, we do the quoting, the binding process. We also issue policies, provide policy services such as processing endorsements and change requests, and issuing certificates and insurance for your clients. We handle the renewal issuance, invoicing and billing. We do some reporting. We also do some systems integration for you, claims handling, marketing, and free product and insurance training, such as this webinar today. Here's 8 of our specialty insurance programs that we offer to our agents. First, we have Safety Tech, our technology E&O insurance program, which started over 20 years ago. Our technology, Safety Tech, includes broader coverage, low minimum premiums, and is very competitively priced, for some of the most complex type services in the technology industry. Next, we have Aspire A&E for architects and engineers, Harbor Guard for Stuckey's first program that started 27 years ago, which handles marinas and boat dealers. We have our miscellaneous professional liability program, which consists of over 350 eligible classes in MPL. We have Element for the green energy industry. Then, of course, we have our personal lines, which includes markets available for all policy types, including homeowners, personal auto, watercraft, high-value home, and more. Then, of course, we have our commercial lines markets, which includes BOP, work comp, commercial auto, bonds, just to name a few. And last, we have our surplus lines carriers for non-standard lines, if any risk falls outside of our underwriting guidelines. So again, today we are very excited to provide an overview of who, why, and what we do here at Stuckey Company for our independent licensed property and casualty agents, along with introducing new products, programs, incentives, and more for 2019. And as we look to share with you the reason to partner with us for next year or current, Today, at the end of the session, we hope that you will have a better understanding of the ease and business of doing with Stuckey, the more details of our exclusive specialty insurance programs, a little more information about our turnkey wholesale access, the advantages and benefits with your agency partnering with us. And also we'll talk about our carrier strength and partnerships with some of the top national A-rated carriers that provide our agents with the strength that they need to become more competitive. And in addition, we'll provide some details about our knowledgeable, in-depth underwriting support, our quick and easy submission requirements, and lastly, introduce our new agent communication platform, and also our micro-targeted lead program. As of today, here at Stuckey, we offer our network of independent insurance agents with wholesale access to commercial lines, personal lines, professional, and surplus lines. And our wholesale access to these top markets in the industry, they help us assist you with the placement of your customers' insurance coverage and also become more competitive. We have developed strong partnerships which allows us to gain access to solid national A-rated insurance carriers, as I mentioned earlier. And this provides our agents with quick, easy, and knowledgeable access to our exclusive products and hard to get products. And we have no volume commitments, no production requirements, and do not charge a fee or to gain access to these markets. In addition, we are nationally licensed in 48 states, except Alaska and Hawaii. Therefore, for example, you can use Stuckey Company for the placement of a technology professional liability account, say in the California Silicon Valley, or we could do a marine risk in Maine, or a high-value home policy for a family in Florida. We can bring your local program to a national audience or also assist you with the surplus lines filings for a national account. We also offer free product training, continuing education, and insurance certificate programs. As mentioned earlier, we thank our agents for attending all these webinars like today. And these webinars appear to be extremely beneficial for our agents. So our goal is we would like to help our licensed agents and independent agencies to understand what differentiates one product from another, and how different carriers define their products, and how the carrier's understanding of the claims process can help your insured, of course. And then we have several webinars throughout the year on a variety of topics. Some are about specific products we offer, others pertain to general insurance topics. But all are very valuable tools that can help an agent write more business or an insured understand the coverage purchased. In addition, these webinars, we provide topics from industry trends, product updates, coverage changes, just to name a few. And this helps keep our agents in the loop, and of course, that trickles down to the policyholders. We feel it's important to purchase coverage from reputable and knowledgeable markets, and at Stuckey, we have this available for our agents. At Stuckey, we provide several advantages to help support your insurance business. And as I mentioned previously, we have zero minimum production requirements, and it's no cost to become appointed with us. Also, we have competitive agency commissions that we provide to our agents to meet their business needs. And for more information regarding commissions, always feel free to reach out to myself or Megan, and we will most certainly be happy to provide you with that additional information. We also have our comparative raters that are available to help your agency. This helps to reduce the cost and time, even duplicate entry, to help provide you with the most competitive quote for your client. We also offer direct bill to the insureds from the carrier with automatic renewals. The service is unmatched, as our team is extremely knowledgeable about all coverage areas in lines of business in the continental U.S. Our team is also streamlined they have streamlined the new and renewal submission process to make it as easy as possible for our agents to service their clients. So again, as we look at the new year, partnering with Stuckey would be an advantage for your agency, and as we continue to find methods to help support our agents to the best of our ability. At Stuckey Company, we make every reasonable effort to provide a completed response to all policy requests, even quotes and other inquiries by 5 p.m. Central Time. Central Standard Time. Therefore, we have differentiated ourselves by providing a quick turnaround time from our 1:51 promise. And this promise is if we receive a completed request by 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, since we're located in the Midwest, we will have a response back to you by 5 p.m. the same day. And for submissions or any other request after the 1 p.m. Central Time cutoff, but before 5, we have committed to respond by 1 p.m. The following day. And please note, this is if we have all the necessary information or requested the information that we need to complete your request. And of course, it also depends on how complex the risk may be at times. But committing to our agents is definitely key. And while we always act in good faith to our customer commitments, some additional minor limitations to our 151 policy may exist, such as this request applies to only business days, and these days are days where Stuckey is staffed in a normal course of business. And it may not include weekend, national observed holidays, or holidays recognized by Stuckey. So those are just a few limitations, and they can also be found on our website. And although our underwriting staff is specialized and trained, so is our dedicated service team here at Stuckey. The service team is available to answer any phone calls, deliver policy services, billing questions. They also assist our underwriters and more. So the great interactions begin with knowing our customers' wants and needs, and we know our agents love personalization, so we focus on successful relationships between us and our agents. Another important topic, as mentioned previously, we have streamlined our submission process for our agents' benefit, along with our in-house authority from our carriers. Our systems are industry leading and allow us to process accounts with ease in regards to endorsements, quotes, binding, and policy issuance. We accept fully completed and signed accord form applications and are required to quoting. And these forms help us provide a faster and more accurate quote for your client. And the easiest, most preferred method to send in submissions to Stuckey is by email. Therefore, please email completed accords to plquotes at stuckey.com and PL's for personal lines, of course. And all other lines of business, including commercial and professional, can be sent to quotes at stuckey.com. And upon a receipt of your request, our underwriting team will acknowledge your submission, review the risk, and advise of any additional questions. And I'll also talk about the markets approached and more. And as promised, our team will provide you with a completed response as soon as possible if the submission requirements are met. And we also offer submissions by fax and mail. And if you need assistance, please reach out to Megan or myself or call 1-800-828-3452 to speak to someone in our service team. And we will always be gladly to assist you in any way we can. Our next method in regards to personal lines is through our comparative rater Easy Links. And for more information about gaining access to Easy Links, again, please reach out to us and we will provide additional details on how to gain quick and easy access to that platform. From past and most recent feedback from our current and appointed agents, our underwriting team is second to none. And although we have in-house quoting authority from our excellent top carriers in the industry, our team provides top-notch industry knowledge and experience. In addition, our team knows all of our carriers' appetite and by region. And most of all, they are quite responsive and very quick to respond to any inquiry that you have. Please visit our website for our office contacts by department, and our team will be happy to speak to you about any risk, any advice or anything like that, as they know this, obviously supporting our agents' business needs is top priority. Next, and obviously one of the most important topics we wanted to cover today is our carrier strength. At Stuckey Company, we have a long history with some of the most financial sound and reputable insurance companies around. And as a company, we provide access to 40 to 50 more national A-rated insurance carriers. And this includes for personal, commercial, professional, and surplus lines coverages. With our personal lines carriers offered, we are proud to support products from some of the industry's finest carriers, such as Safeco, The Hartford, AIG, MetLife, Foremost, Select, Lexington, Travelers, Chubb, and more. And this includes all policy types, such as homeowners, personal auto, watercraft, renters. We do a lot of high-value home, RVs, scheduled articles, and more. And then, of course, we have our commercial lines, and we mainly focus on small businesses. Therefore, we also have provide middle market wholesale access, which includes a lot of BOP, business owners policies. We write a lot of work comp, commercial auto, including monoline auto, excess and umbrella bonds, and more. Our top partner carriers include The Hartford, of course, Travelers, Westchester, MetLife, Guard, CNA, Chubb, Markel, Maxim, just to name a few. And in regards to miscellaneous professional liability, as mentioned earlier, this Stuckey program, it encompasses more than 350 different hazard classes among many of the industry's top rated carriers, such as Westchester, again, Beasley, CSC, Underwriting of Lloyd's, The Hartford, CNA, Travelers, Hiscox, Admiral, Guard, Markel, Maxim, just to name a few. And lastly, we also have a team at Stuckey who specifically handles our surplus lines markets for non-standard commercial and personal lines for risk that falls outside of our underwriting guidelines. So next, here's another new program that I would like to talk about going forward in 2019. We are very excited to discuss further about our agency development team. And so far, it has been extremely beneficial for our agency partners. And this team includes Megan and myself. I've been here for about a year now, and my role is new to Stuckey. And this is something, it's different, and we're very excited about it. So that being said, at Stuckey, we obviously have always been driven to provide resources and specialized knowledge and exclusive specialty insurance programs and access, for our independent licensed agency partners like yourself. And our mission is to continue to provide, obviously, professional service, and most importantly, build relationships, which is extremely important, and offering a clear strategy that our agents need to ensure long-term growth and success in their insurance business. That's what Megan and I are here for. And as we always done this before, but this is something, this program is we look to continue to exceed in and to always put our agents first and are committed to helping them from start to finish. And as a new agent or current agent with Stuckey, Megan and I obviously will be your single point of contact going forward by answering any questions you may have, help you through the appointment process, provide educational training such as webinar, getting a better understanding of our products, markets available, service, and more. And whether you are a new venture, starting your own new agency, or a former captive agency, or even more experienced agent, or a life and health agent to want to gain access to the property casualty opportunities, we are here to support you, and we have the markets available for your agency to become successful. And this advantage can help your agency become more competitive in your local area, or even nationwide, or whether you are a big agency or small, it clearly doesn't matter partnering with Stuckey Company. And again, Megan and I are both very excited to help our agents be successful. We plan, along with our team members, to deliver high quality, specialized underwriting for even some of the smallest accounts, and also the expertise required to insure our agents' clients and with some of the more complex type risk. So since 1991, Stuckey has developed specialty insurance programs, and each program is designed to offer you affordable, accessible insurance coverage. And we have become one of the fastest growing insurance providers and have remained dedicated to our capable and growing agency network. And before we continue, clearly one of the biggest questions that so far that we've been receiving, it appears, especially this afternoon from some of these questions, is how to get appointed with Stuckey. And I guess, Megan, if you want to quickly want to discuss that and how our agents can get appointed and register with us and all that good stuff.
Yeah, so you would just go to our website, which is stuckey.com, and on the home page, there's a button that says register as an agent. You would just click on that and fill out a super quick questionnaire, about your agency. And then you will receive an email shortly after that with the appointment documents, which include the broker agreement, the W-9 tax form, direct deposit slip, and it will request your E&O insurance. And then I will receive note that you have registered, and Tyler or myself will contact you within 24 hours to get to know more about your agency and how we can help support your insurance business.
Awesome, Megan. Thank you. Looks like we're getting a lot of questions so far, which is great. So appreciate it, Megan. All right, so lastly, as of today, we recently launched our new communication platform called CoverCore. And here at Stuckey, we are very agent focused. So our ultimate vision is for companies or businesses, also prospects and individuals, or even families to access an on-demand network of thousands of Stuckey's experienced local and licensed insurance agents like yourself. And with that being said, as we plan to provide methods to bring customers to you, CoverCore offers a 1-minute questionnaire that will help match these customers or businesses with an agent that offers a unique skill set needed for the placement of their insurance coverage. And this online platform can be accessed via web and also for smartphones and tablets. In addition, CoverCore offers rate, quote, and binding functionalities. And as of today, we are offering these functionalities for the technology industry, education, and auto service industries here at Stuckey Company. And before long, we plan to also add additional industries going forward in 2019. However, to learn more about our products, CoverCore also helps our agents gain access to useful information, not just about our products offered, but also coverage availability, descriptions of those products and coverages, the industries, the eligible states from our products. In addition, CoverCore provides instant, easy access to applications, brochures, appetite guides, frequent asked questions, coverage highlights, and more. And all these will be listed under our products. This does include a cord form applications as well, which is really nice. And to register, please visit www.covercore.com to learn more. And if any questions, please reach out to myself. And again, CoverCore is in beta testing. We did a soft launch of it. However, it is completely functional. So just want to point that out. So we'll be relaunching it here in 2019. So in addition to CoverCore, we have strategized to bring these type of customers exclusively to our agents like yourself. And we have created our micro-targeted lead program to help fill your sales pipeline. And at no cost for our agents, Stuckey Company will provide 25 to 50 hyper-local technology business leads within 5 miles or less from your office location or designated location. And we will provide full details of these business leads. They will be reviewed and approved by our team to make sure they're fit and qualified for our underwriting guidelines under Safety Tech. And we also will provide co-branded marketing material to help our agents to win the sale. So how to participate? First, we ask you to complete our partnership promise, or what we like to call our commitment card. This document provides the items provided to be fulfilled by Stuckey, along with the commitments to be fulfilled by your agency, such as getting trained, following up on the leads that we provide, entering this information in CoverCore, and of course, quote the business through our Safety Tech program, and bind if you get the order. So next, Stuckey Company, as we mentioned, we will provide co-branded marketing material to be mailed to these leads. And this material includes a postcard that introduces yourself, your contact information. It invites the prospect or that business to quote their insurance with you and offers a free giveaway. In addition, we also will be sending a letter that provides them additional information about our Safety Tech product, and again, introduces you as their agent. And we will be sending them an email also to top it off during our marketing campaign. You also can add your logo to this marketing material, which is really neat. And then lastly, these leads will be sent to you, where you can gain access through them through CoverCore. Here you will find those leads that we provided under your customers in CoverCore, where you'll provide additional details about the approved lead. And once you access a particular lead in CoverCore that you're working on, here you'll find their address, primary contact person of that business, telephone numbers, revenue information, employee size, and more. And also instant quoting capabilities through Safety Tech. This also includes direct access to their website of that business, their email of that business. And it's all just one click away, which is really nice. And for additional questions, please reach out to myself. We have done some brief webinars in the past, but I'd be more than happy to speak to anybody that has any questions about CoverCore. It's very exciting, and I know a lot of our agents are really excited about it. All right, so that pretty much wraps everything up for our webinar. And again, thank you for joining us. I did want to point out, at Stuckey, we are very happy for the opportunity to help support your insurance business as we start off in 2019. If you aren't already an appointed agent with Stuckey, again, please reach out to Megan or myself to register, or visit our website to give us your telephone number, and we would be more than happy to give you a call. So with that, we'll jump in and answer some of the questions. Looks like we don't have too much time left, but we'll definitely answer as many as we can. And if we don't answer those, we'll go ahead and answer them by email. So let's jump in here. So we'll kind of go from the top and down. All right, so the first question we have, Megan, do you have any this is actually a really good question. Do you have any monoline personal auto markets in the state of Florida? Do you want to go ahead and answer that one for us?
Yeah, we do have a market for auto in Florida. Safeco, Hartford, MetLife, and Foremost will write auto in Florida. Just while we're talking about personal lines, I want to point out that we do have, additional markets in Florida for homeowners. However, we don't have a middle market for homeowners or condos. It would be a high value home, coverage of $1 million with Chubb.
Awesome. Thank you. Let's see. Great questions. The next one is, does it cost to participate in the micro-targeted lead program? And are you only providing leads for technology businesses? Megan, do you want to answer that one, or I can? It's up to you.
Yeah. It does not cost to participate. We would love for agents to be a part of our Safety Tech program. So for that reason, we are paying for these leads. We do ask that you promise to quote and bind business through our program. As of today, we are only offering technology business leads. We hope to provide additional industries in the future.
Awesome. Thank you. How do you, actually this is a simple, good question, general question. How do you obtain applications?
You could reach out to me or Tyler. We can send you whatever application you need depending on the risk you are working on. That's probably the most preferred method. However, as mentioned previously, you can find those in CoverCore as well. CoverCore also has appetite guides, brochures, coverage info. The application should be attached to each product available in CoverCore, including some Accord Form applications. But like I said, Tyler and I have all of those things as well.
Awesome. All right, looks like we're running short of time, but we'll try to squeeze in a few more. Here's a good one. What states is the lead program available through our, I guess, the Safety Tech program? That's what the question looks like. So what states are eligible through our Safety Tech program?
We write in all 48 states. There is, however, a surplus lines tax in Louisiana, Virginia, Vermont, Oregon, Massachusetts, and New Mexico.
Awesome. Actually, here's a Louisiana question. Do you have any restrictions? Let's see. Do you have any restrictions to write in the state of Louisiana? Did you want me to answer that one, or do you want to? Yeah, I'll go ahead and answer that one. In regards to personal lines in Louisiana, we do typically have some coastal restrictions from some of our carriers, I do know, especially anything south of Lake Pontchartrain. However, we do have high-value home markets available with Chubb and AIG, along with auto markets with MetLife and Safeco, I do know. But unfortunately, Louisiana, as we all know, is a tricky one. But we don't do too many property. I do know there's not too many property markets available in regards to commercial lines, in regards to personal lines. But in regards to commercial lines, I do know that we cannot quote with MetLife or Maxim, but we do quote with the Hartford Traveler, CNA, Chubb, in Louisiana. But again, this is limited by location, eligible class codes, and all that good stuff. And unfortunately, Louisiana is not, as you know, it's not the easiest to write in, but due to any coastal restrictions, especially with those standard markets that we have, and any property building coverage available. And I do know anything south from, I believe it's Interstate I-10, it's really hard for us to place any property, under that bottom, the south part of Louisiana. So hopefully that helps and answers your question. So let's see. Great question though. We'll just do two more. We would love for anybody to stick around, and we'll try to answer a couple more here. Looks like we're getting a lot of inquiries in regards to the state of California, it appears. So we'll go ahead and answer some of those questions. Hopefully I can gather a few here to kind of put into one question. So I guess really, is there any competitive markets available for personal lines in the state of California? Megan, do you want to answer that one, or do you want me to?
Yeah, we have fairly competitive markets in California. We write monoline auto with Safeco, the Hartford, MetLife, and Foremost. We also write high-value home with AIG and Chubb for $1 million in coverage, with 2 additional lines of business, such as personal auto and umbrella.
Oh, awesome. Appreciate it. All right, we'll go ahead and answer one more. And it looks like we have a few people asking this question, so we'll go ahead and answer this one. The Stuckey process, agent of record, or BOR, broker of records. You want to answer that one, Megan?
Yeah, we definitely do. If your agency is looking to move any business to Stuckey, we would be happy to service that account going forward. Typically, if you're looking to move 20 or more accounts to one of our carriers, we can process a book rollover. We would just need a letter with the accounts listed, policy numbers, and effective date. And this applies to both personal and commercial lines. If it's under 20 accounts, our carriers accept Accord 36, the AOR or BOR Accord form. We would just need the policy numbers, insured signature, effective date of transfer to move it to Stuckey, and the line of business.
Awesome. Great information. Thank you. So I actually just wanted to mention, in related to moving business to Stuckey, by BOR, book roll type situation, we are actually currently working on this, but going forward, we will be providing an incentive for what we like to call our consolidation of your insurance business, or that book of business. This incentive includes an increase in commission for your agency if you consolidate your book of business with us. We currently have several agents participating in this program here recently. Been getting a lot of more inquiries, but as especially as they been moving their book from us, they really appreciate the service that we provide even outside of those other brokers are Stuckey's competitors. And also their direct appointments. They're very satisfied, it appears, with Stuckey. So if you would like to take part of that incentive, if any questions, or anything, again, please feel free to reach out to myself. All right, so it looks like that pretty much, due to the time, we'll absolutely answer the rest of these questions by email. Therefore, please ask any questions. We'll probably remain on the line for a few more minutes. So ask any questions on the webinar control panel. We will certainly do our best to get to those. So again, thank you very much for everyone joining us today. We truly look forward to hearing from you, speaking to you soon about your agency situation, and we hope that we could be another great resource for your insurance business, especially going forward in 2019. So we again thank you. Happy holidays, and we appreciate all the trust in Stuckey from our current agents, and we look forward to partnering with our new agents. And we are very excited of what lies ahead of this partnership. So wishing everyone a successful and prosperous new year, and have a great day. Thank you.